Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Joy. Today I will be showing you all how I dust my ends. This is not like the standard way of dusting ends, but this is how I do it, and it's a really quick way to get rid of any damage and crunchy ends without having to cut so much length off of your hair. And this is how you end up with like really juicy twist outs. You have to keep up with your dusting and your trim techniques so that you have really nice back to knot outs, twist outs, and any style for that matter. If you would like to see how I do that, go ahead and stick around. So as you guys can see, I've already sectioned my hair off. I just put half on this side and then the other half here, and I have 2 twists that I'm going to be focusing on at a time. When I section them off, I put the clamp at the end so that it doesn't mess up the uniformity of my twist. If it feels really dry, then you know it's time to dust your ends. That's for dusting and trimming. That's like the #1 symptom of needing a trim. You know it's dry and it feels like hay. You can also see where it thins out as well. I'll show you guys on the other side. Make sure you keep your twist pinned up so that you don't accidentally trim off from the same twist. I almost did that on the other side because my twist fell out of the clamp. Okay, so here you can see where it starts to thin off at. And that's what I'm going to cut off. So before I start cutting this side, I just want to show you guys what my ends look like before. Not very uniform, not very together. They look together, but girl, no. If you have to retwist, retwist. You want to make sure you're getting a nice cut on all of your strands and not just on one side of the twist. From what you can see, that looks like a really nice healthy end. So now I'm done with my dusting, and now I'm just going to take the twist down to see how my twist out looks. Now this is not a twist out video, so I didn't really like separate my hair evenly for the twist out. I just want to see how it looks now that I have dusted ends. So my hair is not fully dry, so I need to like let my hair dry just a little bit. It's mostly dry, but y'all know what twist outs. If your hair is not fully dry, then it's a done deal and you wasted your time. But I'm not using heat right now, so I have to air dry it. That should be good. Again, this is not a twist out video, so it's okay. And you see how they just separate? It's no like hassle to separate my hair. Okay, I'm not going to separate my hair because I'm not wearing my hair in a twist out state, but I really just wanted to show how my ends do so well after a dust. Like honestly, if all you wanted to do was dust your hair for the year or for however long instead of doing like an actual trim, you can get healthy hair with just dusting your ends. That's if your ends are not like super damaged from heat or like dye over styling, over manipulation, anything like that. If it's not like completely damaged to where the split ends will just travel up and up and up, you could just work with dusting, honestly. Just dust your hair. I do mine's between trims. So I do like a real trim every 4 months now, 4 to 6 months, and then I dust every 2 months. So I'm not like on a strict schedule. So if I see like my ends are in desperate need of a trim or in desperate need of a dusting, then I just throw the whole schedule away and dust my ends. And if it has to be once a month, then I'll just dust my hair once a month, because health over limb. Boop. This is it. There was no tugging while separating my twist, and that's really honestly all that I want to show you guys, was that my hair is getting a really good dusting before styling. Yes. And now it's time to actually style my hair off camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment down below. I love when you guys talk to me and y'all don't really like talking. I don't know if y'all shy or you don't want to be the first comment out there, because you know it's kind of intimidating a little bit. But I love when you guys talk to me. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you dust your ends, how often do you dust, and how much do you dust off. And subscribe, of course. Join the DJ gang. The DJ gang is growing, and I am so happy. I'm so proud. I love all of you guys. Y'all like my little family, and y'all know this is family business. So yes, for y'all that are new, welcome to the DJ gang, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.